Hi everyone, this is Mike Bonn with Hard Money Mike, and today we're going to go over traditional loans on properties that need repair.
Money, 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 quick to buy. Money, 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 quick to refi. Money, 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 Hard Money Mike.com.
So this is your FHA, your VA, your conventional, conforming Fannie, Freddie, whatever you want to call it, and working with the investor community and why traditional loans cannot be taken out typically unless you're house hacking or anything else like that. But you know, 99% of the properties you're going to fix and flip, or you're going to fix and hold right away. That first part, the fixed part, you're not going to be able to use a traditional loan. And there's three main reasons. Number one, they don't want anything that needs repairs. They want all of this stuff done before their loan gets on the property. So they don't want properties that are missing kitchens, missing bathrooms, floor covering not there, windows, holes in the walls. Anything where you find a property that's in great condition for you as an investor that needs work, these traditional lenders cannot lend on it. They need all that stuff done before they can move in. And so they're not going to be your best or any option for that. Number two is speed. Even if you found a property and you found a great deal, typically you need to close fast. And speed, especially in the current market, is not there. It might take 30 to 45 days, especially if it's a non-owner, because owner-occupieds are always prioritized. So speed and appraisal. They're going to require an appraisal, and part of that slows you down. So this is another reason you're not going to get the great deals, because they're not going to be able to close quickly. Number three is short term. They don't want short-term loans. They're not looking for you to fix and sell a property. They're not looking for their money to turn in 6 months. Traditional lenders, the people who buy them and service them, don't break even on these loans until about 2.5 to 3 years, right around 2.5. So they don't want to see loans that someone's getting into and paying it off right away. They'll just stop doing loans like that for you. They'll be put into a system and let you know. So traditional loans just don't work for the people who are fixing and flipping. Just how they're set up. They're set up for long term. They're set up for properties that don't need repair, that they're move-in ready, and that's why their rates are a lot lower, and they're definitely not built for speed. So when you're looking at doing fix and flips and stuff, you're going to have to look away from the traditional loans like we talked about before. You're going to have to look to partnerships or banks or hard money lenders. We're here for you. We have a lot of different resources for you. You could go to our website, and there you could download some tools, you could download some other videos so you can learn a little bit more. If you have any questions, just email them to me at mike@hardmoneymike. We'll be glad to get back to you. And if you're ready to apply and get pre-approved so you can take advantage of those deals out there, just let us know. Just email us at mike@hardmoneymike, and we'll be glad to get back to you. Thanks, and have a great day.